To automatically turn on work mode when you are in a certain place in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap work, tap turn on automatically, and then tap place, select pick a place. To quickly find the place, type the place name in the search bar. Select the place, tap done button, and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, the selected location will be at as one of the work mode condition, which means when you are arriving at this place, your phone will automatically enable work mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.